You want to help Daddy open it? Ethan, wait a minute. Stay out of the boxes. I'll get them. Go sit on the couch. Okay? Abby, you want to help Daddy open the present? Huh? Rip it. Get it. Rip it. Rip it, Abby. Rip it up. Rip it. Here. Get it. Get it. Rip that. There you go. There you go. What is that? Let's rip this one. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Alright, I'll help you. You silly boost. Oh boy, you got a ball bouncer? Look at that. Wait, look at the ball bouncer. Oh. Whoa, baby. See the baby on there? He wants the paper. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Thank you.